All right, on to figures. You've probably seen textbooks that have images with captions and that are called figures, say, like I said, in textbooks or journals or articles or that sort of thing. We can turn an image into a figure or use it in a figure by using figure tags. So I can put a figure tag here. I suppose I ought to make it a proper tag. And I can put a close figure tag here. So figures are paired tags here. Oops, figure. All right, so I'll save that, and now I want you to watch what happens here when I refresh. You notice how that moved in? That moved in because figures have margins around them, and so you're seeing margin around that figure. It's also the case that figures are block elements. If I take a copy of this and put it up, you remember before it would share the line with the Lady Bright picture, but now it doesn't, because the figure is a block element. It's not going to let anything come up and share the line with it. Okay, now just doing this for figures is really, well, pretty pointless. We normally will have things like captions with figures, and there's a way to do captions as well. It's the fig caption tag, so fig caption, and then I can say Lady named Bright. Get that out of my way. And you notice that fig caption is paired as well. So here's a fig caption element. It has an open tag and a close tag here. And so we'll save this, and you know what you're going to see, right? There's a caption now with this particular image. And of course, we can move the caption to the top if we want to. And then the caption is at the top. Actually, the caption is at the top and the bottom. Why? Because I copied it to the top, but I failed to delete it from the bottom. So this particular figure has two captions, one at the top and one at the bottom. Now, if I go ahead and take out the bottom one and reload, the bottom one has disappeared, and now the caption is at the top. So now you know how to create figures from images by surrounding them with the figure tags and the fig caption tags. And sometimes that's helpful. You've probably seen web pages that, and I'm going to actually move this caption down below. No, I think I'm going to leave it up above. You've probably seen web pages where there are images that have captions, and that makes sense. And now you know how to do that too.